Are you wondering whether the chakras are real? In this video, I'll share with you a summary of the main scientific research on the chakras from a Western point of view. I'm George Lizos and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm also excited to announce that my third book, Protect Your Light, is now available to order globally on Amazon. In the book, you'll learn powerful practices to cleanse, shield, and strengthen your energy so that you can follow your purpose fearlessly. Specifically, you'll get to cut cords to toxic relationships, remove psychic daggers of attack, and learn how to effectively protect your energy online. I'll pop the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. My work as a spiritual teacher has always blended spirituality, science, and psychology. I've recently finished my master's in psychology, during which I did some research on the scientific evidence on the existence of chakras. In my job, I work with chakras daily to clear out blocks and impurities, which results in huge transformations in people's physical, emotional, and mental health. Although I personally don't need scientific proof about the chakras' existence to believe in chakra healing, because I see and witness this daily, I often have to share such proof with clients and skeptics. In this video, I'll share this with you too. The chakras were first mentioned in ancient Vedic and Tantric texts, some of the oldest Hindu writings dating from 1500 to 500 BC. From a spiritual perspective, the chakras are wheel-shaped energy portals found in specific locations in the center of your body, acting as mediums of communication between your physical and spiritual sides. They look like multicolored lotus petals that whirl at various speeds as they transmit life force energy through the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies. Therefore, they are essential at promoting health in mind, body, and spirit. There are 7 major chakras in your body, each of which governs a different set of physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual parts of your being. These are the root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakras. By the way, I have a 6-part video series all about chakras, during which I explain what each chakra is associated with, how to unblock chakras, how to perform chakra healing, and chakra color crystal associations. I'll pop the link of the episodes in the description below so you can check them out. Now that we've established a basis as to what the chakras are according to ancient spiritual sources, let's talk about the scientific evidence behind the chakras' existence. To begin with, the chakra system has been linked to the endocrine system with specific glands associated with specific chakras. The root chakra, for example, corresponds with the testicles or ovaries, the throat chakra with the thyroid gland, and the heart chakra with the thymus. Each of these endocrine glands is said to be involved in the same functions associated with that chakra. Another theory proposes that the chakras can be cross-referenced with central nervous system maps. For example, the crown chakra with the neocortex, the third eye chakra with the prefrontal cortex, the throat chakra with the limbic system, the heart chakra with the midbrain, the solar plexus chakra with the pons, and the sacral and root chakras with the medulla oblongata. However, while these ideas fit neatly into a modern explanation of the chakras, they're not supported by scientific evidence. Overall, there is no meaningful way to measure the chakras scientifically, and this hasn't been attempted since 1978. This is largely due to the fact that the chakras do not work in isolation, but rather in coordination, making it difficult to isolate one of them for study. As a result, modern science has not evolved sufficiently to study them. If you're ready to learn how to cleanse and energize your chakras to promote healing, make sure to check out my book, Protect Your Light. In the book, you'll learn more about your energy immune system, which includes the chakras, as well as a 7-step process of clearing your chakras from toxic energy cords and other negative attachments. You can get even more guidance on chakra healing in my free Facebook group for lightworkers, Your Spiritual Toolkit. It's full of trainings, prompts, and guidance from others and myself to guide you on your path. If you feel called to join us, I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you've enjoyed this, I hope you've learned something, and I hope you're a step closer to mastering chakra healing. Please let me know in the comments any questions you have, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.